Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to share Spotify favorites. To share your Spotify favorites on your device, follow these easy methods. First method, sharing a playlist. Open the Spotify app on your device, go to your library, and choose the playlist you want to share. For example, there's liked playlist. Tap the three-dot menu, then choose Share from the options. Choose how you want to share it between WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, etc. Send the link to your friends by copying the link or post it on social media. Last method, sharing individual songs or albums. Find the song or album you want to share. Tap the three-dot menu next to the song or album title. Choose Share from the list. Choose a sharing method by copy link, social media, messaging apps, etc. Send the link or post it wherever you want it to. Now, you can easily share your favorite music with friends. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.